Imagine spending hundreds fixing your HVAC system only to replace it a few months later. What if that repair cost didn't go to waste? In this video, we're going to break down a deal that could save you up to $1,500 on a new furnace and AC, even if you're not ready to replace it yet.
Get Eco.
Hi, I'm Aaron with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians, serving Columbus, Dayton, Cincinnati, and Chillicothe, Ohio. We get it. Replacing an HVAC system is a big decision, and timing isn't always ideal. That's why we always try to repair first and make it a win-win. We created the HVAC Repair Buyback, a way to turn past repairs into future savings. In this video, I'll explain exactly how the program works, who it's for, what to expect, and how to claim your repair credit. If you've had your furnace or AC repaired by us, we'll give you up to $1,500 in credit, one time, never expires, towards your full HVAC system replacement down the road. It's not a coupon, it's not a rebate, it's your repair cost, turned into future buying power. Over the years, we've noticed that quite often, many customers feel stuck choosing between costly repairs and having to install an entirely new system. This program is designed to give you peace of mind. It's our way of helping you ensure that your money isn't lost, even if you're not ready to upgrade yet. You qualify for this credit if you've ever paid us to perform a repair on your HVAC system. You're replacing both your furnace and your AC with Eco. You might not qualify if you've only had maintenance or a tune-up done on your HVAC system, or if you're replacing just one unit. When you take advantage of this offer, you can get up to $1,500 in credits towards your new system, based on the total cost of your repairs. The more you've invested, the more you save later, up to $1,500. This credit applies when you install a complete HVAC system through us. It never expires. When you're ready for replacement, just mention your past repairs with Eco. We'll verify it and automatically apply your credits to the installation quote. Simple as that. Still unsure if this program applies to you? Give us a call so we can check your repair history. If you're facing a repair right now, don't sweat it. This credit guarantees to help protect your future investment whenever you decide that you need a new HVAC system. We're not just here for one-time fixes. We're here to help you enjoy a lifetime of comfort at your home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like it. Subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and reach out to us online at geteco.com if you have any questions or need to get on the schedule. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.